ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ರಾಜಕಾರಣದ ಇತಿಹಾಸ ಬಲ್ಲವರು ದಿವಂಗತ ಆರ್. ದಯಾನಂದ ಸಾಗರ್ ಅವರ ವರ್ಣರಂಜಿತ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿತ್ವ, ರಾಜಕೀಯ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಮೂಡಿಸಿದ ಛಾಪು ಮತ್ತು ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರ ದುಡಿಮೆಯನ್ನು ಯಾರು ತಾನೇ ಮರೆಯಲು ಸಾಧ್ಯ? ದಯಾನಂದ ಸಾಗರ್ ಅವರು ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಈಗಿನ ಅಂಜನಾಪುರದಲ್ಲಿ 24 ಜುಲೈ 1921ರಲ್ಲಿ ರೈತಾಪಿ ಬಡ ಕುಟುಂಬವೊಂದರಲ್ಲಿ ಜನ್ಮ ತಾಳಿದ ಸಾಗರ್ ಅವರ ತಂದೆಯ ಹೆಸರು ರಂಗಪ್ಪ, ತಾಯಿ ಸಿಂಗಮ್ಮ. ಜನ್ಮನಾಮ ದೊಡ್ಡೇಗೌಡನೆಂದಾದರೂ ಬೆಳೆದು ದೊಡ್ಡವರಾಗಿ ತಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರನ್ನು ಬದಲಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ದಯಾನಂದ ಸಾಗರ್ ಆದರು. ಮುಂದೆ ಅಂಜನಾಪುರದಿಂದ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಕನಕನಪಾಳ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ನೆಲೆಸಿ ಬಸವನಗುಡಿ ಸರ್ಕಾರಿ ಪಾಠಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ತಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಾಥಮಿಕ ವಿದ್ಯಾಭ್ಯಾಸವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದರು. ನಂತರ ಮೈಸೂರು ಮಹಾರಾಜ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯಾಸಂಗ ಮಾಡಿದರು. 1942ರಲ್ಲಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ ನಾಯಕರಾದ ಅವರು ಗಾಂಧಿ ಪ್ರಭಾವಕ್ಕೆ ಒಳಗಾಗಿ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ಚಳುವಳಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಧುಮುಕಿ ಕ್ವಿಟ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಚಳುವಳಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಜೈಲು ಸೇರಿದರು. ಬಡತನ ಒಂದು ಶಾಪವಲ್ಲ, ಅದೂ ಒಂದು ವರವೇ ಎಂಬಂತೆ ಬಡತನದ ಅನುಭವವನ್ನು ಬಂಡವಾಳವನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಆತ್ಮವಿಶ್ವಾಸದಿಂದ ಅನೇಕ ಸಾಮಾಜಿಕ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ತಮ್ಮನ್ನು ತಾವು ತೊಡಗಿಸಿಕೊಂಡರು. ಸಾಗರ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಆಪ್ತ ಹಾಗೂ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರವೆಂದರೆ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರ. ಸಾಗರ್ ಅವರು 1962ರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಹಾತ್ಮ ಗಾಂಧಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯನ್ನು ಸ್ಥಾಪನೆ ಮಾಡಿದರು. ಇದರೊಂದಿಗೆ ಸರ್ಕಾರಿ ಪ್ರೌಢಶಾಲೆ, ಪದವಿ ಪೂರ್ವ, ಪದವಿ ಕಾಲೇಜು ಹಾಗೂ ಅಧ್ಯಾಪಕರ ತರಬೇತಿ ಕಾಲೇಜುಗಳು ಪ್ರಾರಂಭವಾದವು. 1963ರಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಮಾರು 30 ಎಕರೆ ವಿಸ್ತೀರ್ಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಕುಮಾರಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಬಡಾವಣೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ICSE ವಸತಿ ಶಾಲೆಯನ್ನು ಪ್ರಾರಂಭಿಸಿದರು. ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗೆ ಅಡಿಗಲ್ಲಿಟ್ಟವರು ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರ ಹಾಗೂ ರಾಜ್ಯ ರಾಜಕಾರಣದ ಘಟಾನುಘಟಿಗಳು. ಭಾರತ ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ಅಂದಿನ ಗಣಿ ಮತ್ತು ಉಕ್ಕು ಖಾತೆಯ ಮಂತ್ರಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದ ದಿವಂಗತ ಸಂಜೀವ ರೆಡ್ಡಿ, ಮಾಜಿ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳಾದ ದಿವಂಗತ ನಿಜಲಿಂಗಪ್ಪ, ತಮಿಳುನಾಡಿನ ದಿವಂಗತ ಕಾಮರಾಜ ನಾಡರ್ ಅವರು. ಕೆಲವರು ಜೀವಂತವಿರುವಾಗಲೇ ಸತ್ತಂತೆ ಬದುಕಿದರೆ, ಕೆಲವರು ಸತ್ತ ಮೇಲೂ ಜೀವಂತವಾಗಿರುತ್ತಾರೆ ಎಂಬುದಕ್ಕೆ ದಿವಂಗತ ದಯಾನಂದ ಸಾಗರ್ ಅವರು ಒಂದು ಉದಾಹರಣೆ. ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನದನ್ನು ಸಾಧಿಸುವ ಆಸೆಯನ್ನು ಹೊತ್ತ ದಯಾನಂದ ಸಾಗರ್ ಅವರು ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ಅಪಾರವಾದ ಕೊಡುಗೆಯನ್ನು ನೀಡಿ ಇಂದಿಗೂ ಅವಿಸ್ಮರಣೀಯರಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
लाख कीमती धन भला गुरु है मेरा अनमोल। हैप्पी गुरु पूर्णिमा। गुरु पूर्णिमा के इस शुभ दिन पर इस गुरुकुल यानी हमारी दयानंद सागर समूह संस्था का संस्थापक स्वर्गीय श्री आर. दयानंद सागर जी का स्मरण करते हुए हम सबकी तरफ से आदरणीय प्रणाम समर्पित करती हूँ। I, Mrs. Sumana, extend heartiest welcome to all the dignitaries, principal, vice principal, staff of DSIS, parents and Sagarites on the behalf of the management for the centenary celebration of our founder, late Shri R. Dayanand Sagar. Dayanand Sagar sir always believed in education completes man. Carrying the same vision, DSI completes 6 decades of glorious years of existence, facing many ups and downs and difficult challenges along the way. We are highly privileged and express our deep sense of gratitude to be the member of Dayanand Sagar Institution, headed by our great visionaries and eminent personalities, Dr. D. Hemachandra Sagar, Chairman of Dayanand Sagar Institutions and Chancellor Dayanand Sagar University, and Dr. D. Premachandra Sagar, Vice Chairman of Dayanand Sagar Institution and Pro-Chancellor Dayanand Sagar University. We are grateful to you, sir. We embrace our past on Founders Day while celebrating the present and looking forward to the future. Dayanand Sagar International School welcome you all to the centenary celebration of Founders Day. Let us join in mind and spirit on this special occasion. Let us all celebrate him for making a difference in the people's life. I invite respected Principal of Dayanand Sagar International School, Mrs. Varsha Jaideep, and Vice Principal, Mrs. Saida Khanum, for lighting the lamp and offer flowers in respect of Founder Shri Dayanand Sagar. Lord Ganesha is one who aspires wisdom and fortune and destroyer of obstacles. I would like to invite Mrs. Gayatri and Mrs. Pushpa to invoke Lord Vigna Vinayaka and seek the blessings for the success of today's program.
ಶರಣು ಬೆನಕನೆ ಕನಕರೂಪನೆ ಕಾಮಿನಿ ಸಂಗದೌರನೆ ಶರಣು ಸಾಂಬನ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಪುತ್ರನೆ ಶರಣು ಸಾಂಬನ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಪುತ್ರನೆ ಶರಣು ಜನರಿಗೆ ಮಿತ್ರನೆ ಶರಣು ಬೆನಕನೆ ಕನಕರೂಪನೆ ಕಾಮಿನಿ ಸಂಗದೂರನೆ ಏಕದಂತನೆ ಲೋಕಖ್ಯಾತನೆ ಏಕವಾಕ್ಯ ಪ್ರವೀಣನೆ ಏಕವಿಂಶತಿ ಪಾತ್ರ ಪೂಜಿತ ಏಕವಿಂಶತಿ ಪಾತ್ರ ಪೂಜಿತ ಏಕವಿಘ್ನ ವಿನಾಯಕ ಶರಣು ಬೆನಕನೆ ಕನಕರೂಪನೆ ಕಾಮಿನಿ ಸಂಗದೂರನೆ ವಕ್ರತುಂಡನೆ ಮಹಾಕಾಯನೆ ಅಖಿಲ ಕೋಟಿ ಪ್ರದೀಪನೆ ಚಕ್ರಧರ ಹರ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ಪೂಜಿತ ಚಕ್ರಧರ ಹರ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ಪೂಜಿತ ರಕ್ತವಸ್ತ್ರಧಾರನೆ ಶರಣು ಬೆನಕನೆ ಕನಕರೂಪನೆ ಕಾಮಿನಿ ಸಂಗದೂರನೆ ಮೂಷಿಕಾಸನ ಶೇಷಭೂಷಣ ಶೇಷ ವಿಘ್ನ ವಿನಾಯಕ ದಾಸ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲಲೇಶನೆ ದಾಸ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲಲೇಶನೆ ಈಶ ಗುಣಗಳ ಪೊಗಳುವೆ ಶರಣು ಬೆನಕನೆ ಕನಕರೂಪನೆ ಕಾಮಿನಿ ಸಂಗದೂರನೆ ಕಾಮಿನಿ ಸಂಗದೂರನೆ ಕಾಮಿನಿ ಸಂಗದೂರನೆ.
Thank you, teachers, for melodious devotional song. All praise to be the Guru, the torchbearer. On this auspicious occasion of Guru Purnima, I would like to invite Mrs. Pushpalata for shloka recitation to offer our salutations to the feet of Guru for imparting us the immense wealth of knowledge and wisdom.
अखण्डमण्डलाकारं व्याप्तं येन चराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुरेव परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। सर्वश्रुतिशिरोरत्न विराजितपदाम्बुजः वेदान्ताम्बुजसूर्यो यः तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। चैतन्यशाश्वतः शान्तो व्योमातीतो निरञ्जनः बिन्दुनादकलातीतः तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। न गुरोरधिकं तत्त्वं न गुरोरधिकं तपः तत्त्वज्ञानात् परं नास्ति तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। मन्नाथः श्रीजगन्नाथः मद्गुरुः श्रीजगद्गुरुः मदात्मा सर्वभूतात्मा तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। गुरुरादि अनादिश्च गुरुः परमदैवतं गुरोः परतरं नास्ति तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। त्वमेव माता च पिता त्वमेव बन्धुश्च सखा त्वमेव विद्या द्रविणं त्वमेव सर्वं मम देवदेव।
Thank you, ma'am, for reciting meaningful and tattva shlokas of Guru. Over the last 6 decades, Dayanand Sagar Institution has undergone an incredible transformation by committed leadership, the tireless work of the team of administrators, faculty and staff, and committed board members, board of trustees to the highest standard of governance. The value of this institution lies in its rich history from the past, and the legacy is being carried successfully. I would like to call Miss Prarthana from 9th standard to wish and express her gratitude on the eve of centenary celebration of Founders Day.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನಾ. ನಾನು 9ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯಾಸಂಗ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಈ ದಿನ ತುಂಬ ವಿಶೇಷವಾದ ದಿನ. ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ತಿಳಿದಿರುವ ಹಾಗೆ ಇಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಸಂಸ್ಥಾಪಕರಾದ ಶ್ರೀಯುತ ದಯಾನಂದ್ ಸಾಗರ್ ಅವರ ಜನ್ಮದಿನ. ಅವರು 1921 ಜುಲೈ 24ರಂದು ಜನಿಸಿದರು. ಅವರ ಜನ್ಮದಿನವನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಸ್ಥಾಪಕರ ದಿನವೆಂದು ಆಚರಿಸಲಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಸಂಸ್ಥಾಪಕರ ದಿನದ ಸಮಾರಂಭಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಮಿಸಿರುವ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲರಾದ ವರ್ಷಾ ಜಯದೀಪ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಉಪಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲರಾದ ಸೈದಾ ಖಾನಂ ಮೇಡಮ್ ರವರಿಗೆ ವೈಯಕ್ತಿಕವಾಗಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಪರವಾಗಿ ತುಂಬು ಹೃದಯದಿಂದ ಸ್ವಾಗತ ಕೋರುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ನನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೆಚ್ಚಿನ ವೃಂದದವರಿಗೆ ಹೃತ್ಪೂರ್ವಕವಾಗಿ ಸ್ವಾಗತ ಬಯಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಈ ಅವಕಾಶವನ್ನು ಕಲ್ಪಿಸಿಕೊಟ್ಟ ನನ್ನ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರಿಗೆ ವಂದಿಸುತ್ತಾ ನನ್ನ ಈ ಸ್ವಾಗತ ಭಾಷಣವನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ.
Thank you, Prarthana. I would like to call Vice Principal of DSIS, Mrs. Saida Khanum, to give the brief details about Dayanand Sagar Institution.
Hi everyone. It's an honor to be the part of auspicious occasion during the centenary celebration of our founder chairman, late Shri R. Dayananda Sagar of the prestigious Dayananda Sagar Institution. Our chairman, Dr. Hemachandra Sagar, and vice chairman, Dr. Premachandra Sagar, believe that education must be laced with morality and ethics for holistic development of a student. Their vision is to provide education for all the sections of the society. In pursuit of this, they aim to achieve objectives in an environment that amplifies creativity, innovation, and scholarly niche. It won't be wrong if it is said that Dayanand Sagar institutions provide education from cradle to grave. This group of institutions cater to the need of a person from the daycare to post-graduation and prepare them to face the world. As it goes, Rome was not built in a day. The story of the institution involves sheer hard work, focus, foresightedness, determination, and discipline that has led Dayanand Sagar institutions to carve a name for itself as a great brand in education and service in the nation. In the 6 decades of the institution lies the stories of the individuals who have endeavored themselves to bring excellence in education. It has surpassed all the challenges that has been posed in course of its journey to excellence. Even in the unpredictable circumstances like COVID-19 that had put forth the demand on the educational institution, the management saw that learning doesn't stop. It overcame this challenge by extending its help for both the students as well as the employees and ensured that they receive the support that is admirable. This reputed institution provides 160 undergraduate programs, 425 bachelor degrees, and 16 postgraduate programs, as well as multi-speciality hospitals around Bangalore. The feather to the crown is at this turning point. The Sagarites have established Dr. Chandrama Dayananda Sagar Medical Education and Research Institute and are striving to create a medical institute on Harvard Medical College lines. Last but not the least, as the icing on the cake is Dayananda Sagar International School, which is recognized for highly disciplined student, community and dedicated employees. To its repute, it has achieved 100% result in ICSE Class 10 board exams. The school has 1,000 students at present. The strength is full to its extent. Now, we hope with the support of our management and new principal, we will cross the present number and reach the 2,000 mark. So, our mission is 2,000 and to live up the vision of our chairman and his generation by building Dayananda Sagar Institution as one of the best recognized institutions at national and international level in the years to come. Thank you a lot.
Thank you, ma'am. Now, it is our little angel Nishta Bhupen from 2nd standard is here to speak on Founders Day.
Our respected teachers and my dear friends, my name is Nishta Dubey. I am studying in 2nd standard at Dayanand Sagar International School, Bangalore. It is a very special day at school today, Founders Day. May I first of all pay the gratitude on behalf of all the students who the founder members of the school. Without this noble minds and their sincere efforts, we would not have been sitting here in this temple of knowledge for celebrating the Founders Day every year of the school. The Dayanand Sagar schools and colleges of science, arts and commerce are pioneering institutions founded by late Sri Dayanand Sagar in early 60s. Dayanand Sagar Institute is one of the India's leading educational institutions in the field of education today and operates under the aegis of the Mahatma Gandhi Vidya Peeth Trust. Dayanand Sagar Institutions is a synonym in the field of education for imparting world-class education from nursery to professional courses like engineering, medical, law, pharmacy, business management, information technology, etc. The most important fundamental that I like about my school is the vision of our school, that is to be a center of excellence in education, research and training and to produce citizens with exceptional leadership qualities to serve national and global needs. This achievement is possible only with the capable teachers and the love and care that they show towards the students. On this occasion, we must express deep gratitude gratitude to all our teachers who help us learn not just the lessons from the books but also qualities that make good human beings. The manners and the opportunity that they provide help us to show and develop the hidden talents and skills. Thank you. Have a nice day ahead.
Thank you so much, Nishta. You spoke really good. Now, Mohammad Suhan of class 9 is going to enthrall us with an instrumental play violin for an English album. Thank you, Suhan. Wish you bright future ahead in the field of music. When you step into the institution, there is one thing that you cannot escape. That is the homely environment, the ambience of the school. And there are three words that encapsulates among themselves. That is the entire vision and the motto of the school. And those three words are Diyo Yona Prachodayat, meaning God gives us the knowledge that will lead us to the enlightenment. And I think this institution and its every mission and vision really steps from these three words, Diyo Yona Prachodayat. Now I would like to request our respected principal, Mrs. Varsha Jaidip, to present the school report.
I feel blessed to introduce myself on this auspicious moment. I am Varsha Jaidip, Principal, Dayanand Sagar International School. Today is a very auspicious moment as we are celebrating the centenary birth anniversary of our founder, Shri R. Dayanand Sagar Ji. Dayanand Sagar International School has 1,000+ students who are catered by 50+ staff. Our students come to kindergarten with the little footsteps. They move on to primary schooling, then middle and secondary, thereon with senior secondary. We are proud of our team. Without the team effort, it wouldn't have been possible to run such beautiful institution. May I request everybody to applaud the entire team of the Dayanand Sagar International School. Without the care and constant support of our support staff, this beautiful campus could not have kept clean and hygienic. I thank all the support staff who are behind the scene. Every year, Dayanand Sagar International School gets a new feather in its cap by securing 100% result in ICSE board examination. And the recent examination in 2019-20, we had the highest percentage as 99%. For 2021, we are still awaiting for the result, and I'm sure that This year, this academic session also, our students are going to make proud of us. All these years to spend in this beautiful campus was not so easy without the support of our Chairman Sir, Vice Chairman Sir, Secretary Sir, Vice Chancellor Sir and all the heads of Dayanand Sagar Group of Institution. We are proud educators. The kindergarten students who steps in with a little foot, they steps out of Dayanand Sagar Institution as good professionals. At this moment, we salute all the heads of Dayanand Sagar Group of Institution. I wish everyone happy Founders Day.
Thank you, ma'am. Dance is one of the most divine form of arts. Dance is actually a way of expression of individual feelings. Now we are going to witness very graceful classical dance that involves various striking postures, moments which captivate the audience. Here comes our girls from class 5 and 6 to mesmerize you with a classical dance trained and choreographed by Mrs. Karpaga. Superb girls, what a great pause, and that was indeed a lovely performance, really proved as icing on the cake for this event. Thank you very much for this fabulous performance. Last but not the least, I would like to request Mrs. Vani to deliver vote of thanks.
It's my privilege to propose a vote of thanks on this occasion of the Founders' Day. On behalf of our DSIS team, I would like to extend my sincere thanks to our management for providing a conducive atmosphere, modern infrastructure and a cordial working environment. I am also grateful for them for being with us during the pandemic. Especially, I would like to thank our Secretary Sir, Mr. Galiswamy Sir, and our Principal Ma'am, Mrs. Marsha Jaydeep, for their support and cooperation. We are very fortunate to be backed by a team of motivated and dedicated organization. Further, a big thank you to the Masters of Ceremony, the technical team, and all our teachers for their effort. Last but not the least, I would like to thank all the parents and students for their constant support. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Yesterday is a dream, tomorrow is a vision, but a day well lived makes every yesterday a dream of happiness and every tomorrow a vision of hope. Thank you, audience. Stay home, stay safe. Signing off, Mrs. Sumana.